Okay folks, so you may remember I showed you this tiller from Hind Pro, battery powered with a Dewalt or Dewalt type of battery, and clearly this should be able to handle this garden for my wife. Okay, clearly that's going to turn the garden over for her. But let me show you what I really want to do with it. Y'all follow me. All right, y'all trying to keep up. I'm going out here to the chicken pen. Just kind of disregard some things you might see. Like this fella here, he won't get in trouble. He won't get in trouble. What we want to do is we want to clean this pen out. We want to turn the dirt over in here, because you just have to do that from time to time with your chicken pens. So the question is, will it handle the job or not? Okay, I don't have my cover lights down good. That's on me. There it goes. Ah, snapped into place there. Looks like it's going to do the job though. Battery powered. Now remember, this is hard chicken squat. That ground's hard. Look at it dig it up. Look at it dig it up. Hey, y'all need something for your garden? Give us right here, look, Hind Pro. Battery powered. Even tell you how much battery is left. It's working well for me. I believe it worked well for y'all. Meantime, y'all have a blessed day.